Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the maple resin, and I will tell you guys if it is worth it or not. So I finally got it today. I only I only contributed 74 times and I got it on the 74th try. So basically it is a transcendent plant, and people say it's better than candy blossom. I'm not 100% sure on that. The price floor value is around 170,000 shekels, and the average value is 190,000 shekels. I'm just going to plant it with the maple sprinkler as well as some other sprinklers here, and I'll be right back when the tree has grown to its full potential. And this is what the maple resin looks like all grown. Obviously the fruit itself is covering the whole tree. So I'm just going to collect one here without any of the mutations, and let's see how much it sells for. Maple resin. Oh, it's here. Wow. How much is this worth? Wow, 11 million, by the way, 11 million shekels. I'm just going to sell this. And well, that is the maple resin. Obviously, I think it is a worth it transcendent plant to have. You do need to be a little bit patient to get it in your store though. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.